YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Sam here, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Arabella's hair company. This is my 13x4 bob wig. I have already installed this hair. This was a reinstall, and I just wanted to show you guys how I go about the process. So stick around, stay tuned, and I hope you like this video. Okay, y'all, so before I get started, I would just like to give a huge shout out to my good friend Tyler Anderson, founder and CEO of the company The T Effect. Tyler and her products specialize in hair and skin care. She has hair growth oils, skin products, all of these amazing things that you need to flourish your body, your hair, your mind, your soul, everything, guys. So go ahead and check out the T Effect on Instagram, and as you see in the beginning of this video, that is what I was using on my hair, y'all. Her hair growth oil is my holy grail, and it works wonders. So hit up the T Effect on Instagram. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so my balding cap method is pretty simple. If y'all watched my previous videos, you know I throw on my cap and I throw on my ghost bond, and I take my popsicle stick to spread out my glue across my hairline. And after that dries, well, I take my time and I let it dry, and then afterwards I just cut off the excess cap. I do prefer to use ghost bond instead of free spray because it does work faster, but you can use either or. I have used both and they both work just as fine. So now I'm just using my blow dryer to make sure that I dry out any glue that's still on my forehead, and then I grab my wig band and I throw it on there to, keep my wig cap tight and firmly on my head and let that glue dry perfectly. And then after that, I'll take it off and begin to cut off the excess lace or wig cap. Alright, y'all, so this part is pretty spot on. I'm just cutting off the extra wig cap and getting ready to throw on my wig. So now that I have my wig on, I grab my ghost bond and get ready to glue it down. So I just do 2 little layers of dots, front and back, one on the wig cap and one on the forehead. And I grab my popsicle stick to spread it out, and I do this 2 or 3 times. I put on the glue, grab the popsicle stick, spread it out, and just wait. Let it dry until it's clear, and that's when I'm going to apply my wig. Grab your blow dryer, dry out the glue. It's all a pretty straightforward process. So like I said before, I do this 2 or 3 times. I really feel as though it's up to your discretion how many times you want to do that, but for me, I feel as though my wig lays down better when I apply more glue like that and I do this process. So it's up to you, and I do use Ghost Bond XL. So now that I have my wig on, I'm just going to flatten it, make sure that the lace is actually attached to the glue. So I just, rub it down and make sure that it's on, and then I'm gonna pull out not necessarily baby hairs, but just the front of my wig, and I'm gonna pull out these hairs so that I could separate it from the back, and I'm gonna put on my wig band, and just so that this can hold down my wig, like really make sure it's secure and really make sure it's getting onto the glue, etc. So yeah, so I just separate the front from the back so I can put on my band and really make sure my wig is laying down how I need it to. Now that that's out the way, I'm going to grab my blow dryer and go in again. I really just want to be precise with this install, y'all. So this is all just extra precautions I'm taking to make sure my lace is melted onto my forehead. I want nothing but scalp vibes. So yeah, that's what the blow dryer was for. And obviously I needed some extra glue on the sides. So now I go back in, I put some more glue, spread it out and everything, and then grab my blow dryer and just repeat the process. So wherever you see you need more glue, just go ahead and make sure you add that in so you don't have any lace lifting anywhere and whatnot. Just add as much as you need wherever it's missing. So at this point, I've done a pretty good job gluing down what was lifted, and now I'm blow drying and everything, and just making sure that I'm where I need to be with the install process. Once my install is done, I can get to styling the actual hair. So as soon as I finish blow drying, I'm ready to start styling my hair. And I added a little bit of free spray just to I don't normally add free spray, but yeah, I just wanted to add some just to be secure, because like I said, I wanted this install to be scalp. Like, I just was trying really hard for this install, so I went ahead and did the free spray method just to give it that extra hold in the front. Alright y'all, so now I finally feel complete in the install section, and I'm taking down my wig band because my hair is secure, and now I'm gonna start styling the hair. So I'm just combing out the front. There was some free spray left, and also brushing the hair back that I had to the front and everything. And now I can get ready to part my hair and straighten it and everything like that. So for this install, I decided that I wanted to do a front side part swoop 90s hairstyle look. So that's why you see me swooping the hair to the front like that. And then I grabbed my mousse and just laid her down. Because obviously I told y'all this was just blow dried. So it was very puffy. It wasn't straightened yet. So as you see, the mousse did a great job laying it down. Like, look how fast that went down. There's no heat in my hair at all right now. That's just mousse. So yeah, I went ahead and used my mousse because it eliminated the use of even needing to straighten the front of the hair. So that was great. And now I'm about to start straightening the hair, and this part is pretty like spot on, forward, straightforward, all that. Everybody knows how to straighten hair. So I just sectioned off my hair in pieces and I straightened it from the back to the front. And y'all about to see what it do. So yeah. So when I first had the idea to do the side part swoop, I wanted to do a half up, a half down side part swoop. So I wanted to have the little ponytail with the flipped ends in the side part. So that's why you see me doing the hair back like that. I straightened it back that way. And I put my clip in to hold it in place while I straightened the other side. But it was a fail, so I didn't end up going that way. I just did a regular swoop with flipped ends, no ponytail, no half a puff down. So yeah. Material.
So I wanted this side to be as flat as possible. I wanted it to be like a very seamless look. So that's why I grabbed my wax stick and my hot comb just to make that real flat. I don't know why I didn't grab my mousse, but I guess because I had the wax stick, I figured, may as well make use of it. So I grabbed my wax stick and I just put that down so that I could flatten out my hair as much as possible. I don't want no lumpy, humpy hair or flyaways or anything like that. So that wax stick came in great. It was my holy grail that day. And yeah, that wax stick hot comb combo is undefeated for real. Now I did use Got To Be for my edges. I only did two little edges. I did the little swoop by the ear and the little swoop right there at the part. I'm not an edges girl, mainly because I don't know how to master them and like I'm a perfectionist, so I'd rather just do no edges. But yeah, I went ahead and used the yellow Got To Be and did that little edge. So yeah, that's what I used. And I got these hair clips from Amazon. I think I just typed in hairpins and I got them, and it was like 10 for $8, 10 for like $4. So yeah, super cute. Love them. Ariel. Okay, y'all, so that's all we have for today. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you like it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave any comments on what you guys want to see next, and stay tuned for more. Bye.